Hey there, fellow seniors. If you're self-employed and the thought of filing your taxes online feels a bit overwhelming, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to show you how to file your taxes without any stress, and we'll make TurboTax your new best friend. It's easier than you think. First things first. Let's get you set up. Just head over to TurboTax Kit. Once you're there, you'll see a few different options. If you're self-employed, maybe you're a gig worker, a freelancer, or run a small business from home, you'll want to choose TurboTax Self-Employed. It's designed specifically for us. Next, you'll either create an account or log in if you've used it before. Don't worry, it's super straightforward. TurboTax guides you through the whole process with simple questions. It feels more like having a friendly chat than doing your taxes. There's no complicated tax jargon, just plain, simple English that anyone can understand. Now, let's talk about entering your income. This is where you tell TurboTax how you earned your money. Did you drive for skis? Maybe you sold some beautiful crafts on Etsy or did some consulting work. You'll enter all of that under self-employment income. You can use your invoices, bank deposit records, or any T4A slips you received. Just gather your papers and follow the prompts. Here comes the magic part: deductions. This is how you can lower the amount of tax you owe. TurboTax makes it incredibly easy to find common deductions. Think about your home office expenses. A portion of your rent, utilities, and internet can be claimed. Don't forget your vehicle expenses like gas, insurance, and maintenance if you used your car for work. You can also deduct the cost of supplies, tools, your business phone bill, and even software you use for your work. TurboTax will ask you about these things so you won't miss out on savings. Once you've entered all your income and deductions, TurboTax does all the calculations for you. It double-checks everything to make sure it's accurate and helps you find every credit and deduction you deserve, like the age amount credit or pension income splitting. Before you file, you get to review your entire return. It gives you a clear summary of your refund or what you owe. When you feel confident, you can file directly to the CRA with just a few clicks using NetFile. It's secure, fast, and you get your confirmation right away. So, there you have it. Filing your self-employment taxes online with TurboTax is totally manageable. No more stress, no more confusing forms. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips. Thanks for watching.